Hey guys, Dr. Triggs here, plastic and reconstructive surgeon here in sunny Miami, Florida. So today we're gonna do some shopping. We're gonna be shopping for our anemic patients, our skinny BBL patients, our pre and post-surgical patients. So follow me and let's find out what we need to get to optimize those results. Hey, let's get your diet ready. All right. So you can start picking something up or, gotta grab some eggs, large brown fresh eggs. Crucial, great protein, also good for trying to build mass for a skinny BBL. So if you're trying to bulk up, eggs are good. High in protein for both pre and post recovery. So definitely gotta have some eggs. All right, so we're gonna go with natural butter, not any spread or anything like that. Butter's good for our skinny BBL patients that are trying to bulk up for surgery. Of course, you don't wanna overindulge, but you wanna have, just some regular butter in your food. So we get some milk for our protein shakes, which is good for pre and post surgery. It's gonna give you some nutrients, some vitamin D, that's good. Also for our skinny BBL patients, it's also gonna help them bulk up if we're gonna use any mass gainer or if they wanna have any like high protein or high fatty shakes. So definitely gotta get some milk. Cookies? No, we're not even gonna indulge in that. Even if you're a skinny BBL and you're trying to bulk up, the last thing you wanna do is, eat a lot of sweets and carbs and high sugary things, because you don't wanna bulk up that way. You wanna do it natural, and that way you don't overindulge and develop fatty liver and have problems like that. So we don't wanna do that. Yogurt. Yogurt, Greek yogurt, by the way, is great. High in protein, no added sugar, no artificial sweeteners. This is great both pre and post surgery. It's gonna give you the protein that's gonna help you heal, because you wanna have as much protein as possible. It's also good because there's no added sugar. So these are great buys. Spinach and chopped kale. These are full of iron, also full of other nutrients, both pre and post surgery, especially for our patients that are iron deficient or anemic. You definitely want to eat a lot of dark leafy green vegetables. That's going to help boost up your hemoglobin so you can be a better candidate for surgery. So this, I would say, is like #1 on your list. It's good for juices, salads, all kinds of stuff you can do with this. You can saute it with some garlic, which is also good for your blood pressure. So we got a couple of things here. We got some cauliflower florets, which is also good. It's good for mostly post-surgery, I think. One, it's not gonna give you too many added calories. It's nutritious. It also has some fiber in there. So after surgery, you're gonna have narcotics in your system, which makes things a little bit more backed up, constipated. So it's gonna help get things moving. Broccoli also has anti-inflammatory properties. Carrots are rich in nutrients as well. You could blend this all up and make it into a smoothie. And then cucumbers too have been known to have anti-inflammatory properties for the skin. That's why you see people in spas lay them on their eyelids, and also go great in salads as well as smoothies to help you bounce back. Pineapple, great anti-inflammatory properties, good for juicing, good for a snack, great sugar, help your blood sugar to bounce back right after surgery. So salmon, very crucial, high in protein, also high in fat, the good fat though, omega-3s. So this is good both pre and post surgery. Also good for our skinny BBLs and also good for our anemic patients. So it's good all across the spectrum. It's gonna give you iron, it's gonna give you protein to heal. So definitely got to incorporate salmon in your surgery life and just daily life as well. Beyond Burger, plant-based patties, definitely good for all the above. Anemic patients, skinny BBLs, pre and post surgery, has a high amount of protein and it's plant protein. So for our vegetarians and vegan patients, this is a great alternative to build up that protein. Also help your anemia if you're anemic from iron deficiency. So definitely add that to the cart, add that to the list. So avocado, high in good fats. This is really good for our skinny BBL patients. Also good for all around the spectrum patients, pre and post. As the good fat's gonna help feed the fat for your BBLs. It's also gonna help you gain a little bit of weight for your skinny BBLs. Doesn't do much for anemic patients, but it's good all around for your diet. Strawberry wine? Nah, we're not gonna need alcohol. I mean, alcohol in moderation is fine. Post-surgery, and when I say post-surgery, I'm talking about a couple of weeks, and also pre-surgery, and I'm not talking about the day before. Everything in moderation, but Alcohol does act as a blood thinner, so it can make your drainage increase. It can also increase your chance of complications. So I would abstain from alcohol if possible, but like I said, everything in moderation. All right, so let's do a recap of what we got here. Pineapple, great all the way around, pre and post-surgical, great anti-inflammatory properties. We have our avocados, which are good for our skinny BBLs, also for our post-surgery because it has good fat to build to feed the fat. Let's see, we got salmon, which is good for all of our patients. High in protein, high in good fat for your skinny BBLs, pre and post-surgery. For our vegans, non-vegans, vegetarians, there's plant-based burgers, that's high in protein, that's good for pre and post-surgery. Let's see, we got our cucumber, good anti-inflammatory properties, goes in salad, goes in great juices. We got peanut butter, nut butter, which is also good for our skinny BBLs and post-surgery, high in proteins. We got our dark leafy green vegetables, kale and spinach, which is good for our anemic patients, also good for pre and post-surgery patients. We got eggs and butter. Butter's good for our skinny BBLs to help them bulk up nice. And eggs, which is good for protein, both pre and post, and also our anemic patients. Let's not forget our roughage, so we got cauliflower florets and also broccoli. Both are good with anti-inflammatory properties, good snacks for pre and post-surgery. And we got our whole milk. I'm lactose intolerant. I'm not sure if you are, but this is great for bulking, also good for pre and post-surgery. And then Greek yogurt, high in protein, low in sugar. This is a good pre and post-surgical snack, also good for anemic patients as well. So I think I've checked everything off my list. We're gonna take a look at some other things, but this are some key conceptual foods to have for both anemic patients, skinny BBL patients trying to gain weight, also for our pre and post-surgical diet. If you have any questions, please call for your free consultation. I hope this video has been helpful for you.